In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently edit and manipulate objects using nodes. Whether you're polishing that perfect shape you've drawn with the pen tool or tweaking an object converted from a basic shape, these steps will guide you through the process smoothly. First, make sure that the object or curve you intend to edit is selected. If you're working with a simple shape, like a rectangle or an ellipse, convert it to curves first. This conversion is essential because it allows you to access and edit individual nodes. To convert, just go to the Layer menu and select Convert to Curves. This will give you the flexibility needed to refine your design with precision. Now, let's activate the Node tool. You'll find this essential tool nestled right in the toolbar, or you can quickly access it using the shortcut key, which is usually A. This tool is your gateway to making specific, detailed adjustments to your shapes. Once the Node tool is active, you can begin selecting nodes. For a single node selection, simply click on it. If you need to select multiple nodes, hold down the Shift key while clicking each node, or drag a marquee box to encircle them all. This will allow you to make adjustments to several nodes simultaneously, streamlining the editing process. Moving nodes or their handles is quite straightforward. Click on the node you want to adjust and drag it to reposition that particular point on the curve. If you're dealing with a smooth node that has control handles visible, dragging these handles will adjust the curve's smoothness, allowing for more subtle shifts in curvature. To further customize your object, you can add or remove nodes. Adding a node is simple. Just click on the desired segment with the Node tool where you want the new node to appear. To delete an unwanted node, click to select it and hit the Delete key, or right-click, and choose the deletion option based on whether you want to keep adjacent curves smooth. Changing node types can significantly affect the look of your design. Sharp nodes appear as squares and create corner points. Smooth nodes, represented by circles, ensure continuous curves. Smart nodes also appear as circles but with a dot, offering automatic adjustments akin to smooth nodes. You can switch node types using the Context toolbar when the Node tool is engaged, providing another layer of customization. For more advanced editing, you can join, break, or close curves. To join, select the nodes or curves you wish to combine and click Join Curves. If you need to break a curve for a different design path, select a node and click Break Curve. To create a closed shape from an open curve, handy for filling designs, use the Close Curve feature. Finally, to ensure precision and alignment, make use of snapping and precision tools. Enable snapping to align your nodes to a grid, other nodes, or curves effortlessly. Additionally, for meticulous adjustments, leverage the Transform panel where you can numerically tweak positions of selected nodes. And there you have it. With these techniques, you can expertly manipulate your designs, making even the most complex shapes bend to your creative will.